Why Docker security matters.
Docker containers make it easier to develop and deploy apps, but like any software, they need proper security. Without the right protections, containers can be vulnerable to attacks, data leaks, or unauthorized access. Learning some simple best practices can help keep your applications and data safe while still getting all the benefits of Docker.
Use official and trusted images.
Always start with official images from trusted sources like Docker Hub or verified repositories. Unverified images may contain hidden vulnerabilities or malicious code. Before using or sharing images, scan them for known security issues. Regularly update images to include the latest security patches and fixes.
Limit container privileges.
Run containers with the least privileges necessary. Avoid launching containers with root access whenever possible. Use Docker's user directives to specify a non-root user for processes inside the container. This limits the damage an attacker can do if the container is compromised.
Network and resource controls.
Docker makes it easy to isolate containers. Use network segmentation to restrict container communications. Don't expose ports you don't need. Limit CPU and memory usage to prevent resource abuse. Manage environment variables carefully and avoid putting sensitive information directly inside them.
Monitor and keep software updated.
Regular monitoring helps you spot suspicious activity early. Use Docker security tools and logging options to keep track of container behavior. Update Docker Engine and your containers frequently to get the latest security improvements. Stay informed about security advisories related to your container images and software.
Summary: secure your Docker workflow.
Securing Docker containers doesn't have to be hard. Start with trusted images, limit privileges, control network access, and keep everything updated. Small steps go a long way in protecting your applications and data. Make security a regular part of your Docker workflow to ensure safe and reliable deployments.